Hello guys, it's Michael here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will draw this beautiful lady. Let's run with the structure. Alright, we will go with the Loomis method. First we will draw a big circle, then the smaller one, a side of it, and now we place a cross, one vertical curved line down in the center, and one horizontal line across. This cross tells us which way the head is facing. From here, we'll draw the two key guides, a forehead line and a nose line. Those lines are parallel. The one is at the center of the cross and the other one is at the bottom of the circle of the cross. This will help us a lot to locate the front plane of the face. Alright, so next follow the center line down, find the chin. Measure from forehead to nose and repeat that distance from nose to chin. Halfway between the nose and chin, draw the mouth line. This marks the center of the lips, and we have it all. Now comes the heart of the portrait, capturing emotion and soul. Every line we draw can express tension, relaxation, or movement. Look closely at the brow, the eyes, the mouth. The way each curve blends or stretches reveals the muscles underneath. If we follow those rhythms correctly, we can show not just anatomy, but the feeling and the energy of the face. When your structure is accurate enough, these expressive lines fall naturally, and that's how you capture not only the likeness, but also the spirit of the person. Okay, now that the structure is complete, we move on to shading. Is where our drawing will gain depth and realism. Every shape we built earlier must now respond to the light. Sharp planes create strong contrast, smooth planes give soft transition. So build your tones slowly to light. If you see here, we lightened at the end the mid-tone, which is masked, and the shadows. Use hard edges for structure, edges for curves. It's like a sculpture. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like and subscribe. We've got plenty more to share. Take care and never give up.